What if I told you that a stock trading around a few $100s today could potentially be worth over $2,400 before this decade ends? Sounds crazy, right? Most people are busy talking about NVIDIA. Others are chasing the next AI startup. But hidden behind the entire AI revolution is a company that almost nobody is paying attention to. And without this company, the AI boom simply doesn't work. Today, we're talking about Micron Technology, a company that some analysts and investors believe could become one of the biggest winners of the AI era. But can it really reach $2,400 per share by 2030? Or is this prediction completely unrealistic? Let's break down the numbers, the technology, and the opportunity. Section 1. What is Micron? Before we talk about a $2,400 price target, we need to understand what Micron actually does. Micron is one of the world's largest memory and storage chip manufacturers. The company produces DRAM and NAND memory chips. Now, that might sound boring, but here's the thing. Every AI model, every data center, every smartphone, every autonomous vehicle, and every advanced computing system relies heavily on memory. Think of NVIDIA as the engine. Micron provides the fuel system. Without massive amounts of memory, AI simply cannot function efficiently. And as AI becomes more powerful, the demand for memory explodes. That's where Micron enters the story. Section 2. The AI revolution is changing everything. Just a few years ago, AI was mostly experimental. Today, it's everywhere. Companies are investing hundreds of billions of dollars into AI infrastructure. Tech giants are building enormous data centers. Governments are racing to develop AI capabilities. And every single one of these systems requires huge amounts of high-performance memory. This is where Micron's high-bandwidth memory, also known as HBM, becomes critical. HBM is the type of memory used alongside advanced AI chips. The more powerful AI becomes, the more HBM is needed. Industry experts believe demand for AI memory could grow multiple times over the next decade, and Micron is positioning itself right in the middle of that growth. Section 3. Why investors are paying attention. For years, Micron was viewed as a cyclical semiconductor company. Business would rise, then fall, then rise again. But AI may be changing that narrative. Instead of relying primarily on consumer electronics, Micron is increasingly benefiting from AI infrastructure spending, and that's a much larger market opportunity. Investors are starting to realize that memory isn't just another component anymore. It's becoming one of the most important bottlenecks in AI development. When demand exceeds supply, prices rise, profit margins expand, and earnings can grow dramatically. That's exactly what investors want to see. Section 4. The path to $2,400. Now let's address the big question. Can Micron really reach $2,400 by 2030? To understand that possibility, we need to think about growth. For a stock to increase that dramatically, the company would likely need massive revenue growth, significantly higher profit margins, continued dominance in AI memory, and a market willing to reward that growth with premium valuations. Supporters of the bullish case argue that AI demand is still in its early stages. We're potentially looking at years of infrastructure expansion, more data centers, more AI applications, more advanced chips, and ultimately, much more memory. If Micron becomes one of the key suppliers powering the AI economy, its earnings could grow far beyond what many investors expect today. And in the stock market, earnings growth is often what drives long-term share price appreciation. Section 5. The risks nobody talks about. But here's the reality. No investment story is complete without risks, and Micron has several. Competition remains intense. Companies like Samsung and SK Hynix are fighting for the same opportunities. The semiconductor industry can also be highly cyclical. Periods of oversupply can pressure prices and profits. Then there's the biggest uncertainty of all: AI expectations. If AI adoption grows slower than expected, many of today's optimistic forecasts could prove too aggressive. That's why investors should always separate possibility from certainty. A $2,400 target may be exciting, but it's far from guaranteed. So, could Micron stock reach $2,400 by 2030? The answer depends on one thing: whether the AI revolution becomes as large as many experts believe. If AI spending continues accelerating, if demand for advanced memory keeps exploding, and if Micron successfully executes its strategy, then the company could become one of the biggest winners of the decade. But if growth slows, or competition intensifies, the road could be much more difficult. Either way, one thing is becoming increasingly clear: the future of AI isn't just about processors, it's also about memory, and that puts Micron in a very interesting position. The next few years could determine whether Micron becomes one of the greatest AI investment stories ever told, or simply another company riding the hype cycle. What do you think? Can Micron really hit $2,400 by 2030? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future investing insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.